In this video, I will show you how to plot Taylor series of a function to understand it better. As an example function, I will use sin x at a equal to 0, but you can work with any differentiable function for your needs. To plot given sine function in Taylor series, I will use a Geogebra website, which is a free online graphic calculator. You can Google Geogebra, or you can type geogebra.org in address bar to visit the website. I can leave it in the description down below. This website offers various useful functions for math including plotting, algebra, calculus, and etc. But for now, I will focus on Taylor series. In the main window, you can click Start Calculator icon, and this will lead you to the graphic calculator page. You can type the function that you would like to plot. For example, you can type sin x. This will automatically plot the sine function on the right hand side. It will show a beautiful sine curve, but I would like to touch up a few things. First of all, I would like to change the unit of tick on x-axis. The sine curves become 0 at n pi, so I would change to the pi as a basic unit. To change it, I will click the gear icon on the right hand side, right upper corner, and go to the x-axis tab. Go to the settings, and go to the x-axis tab, go to unit, and change it to the pi. Now you can see the tick is going to be based on pi. Secondly, I would like to limit my lower and upper bounds of the function to -2 pi and 2 pi for x-axis, and then -2 to 2 for y-axis. What you can do, go to Basic tab, and you can customize your lower limit for the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. Lastly, I would like to label my function fx using text. You can simply click the function that you typed and drag it to the plot and release where you want to add the text for the label. So now you can adjust the position to show the text label. If you want, you can also customize the text color in the setting to match up the color with the curve. However, I will leave it as it is for now. To plot the curve for the first order Taylor series of sine, you can start typing Taylor, and it will show the available function called Taylor polynomial. When you move the mouse cursor hover over this function, it will show the syntax requiring 3 different arguments. First one is a function, second one is a x value, basically a, and order number. The detailed graphical explanation each parameter is given in our video. I highly encourage you to watch this video. So as a starting point, I'm going to use a sine function. The first one is a function that we would like to work with. In this case, we need to work with the sine function. So your sine function is given as fx, so that I'm going to punch it in fx. The next argument require a value, which is where the Taylor series expand around. So in this case, I'm going to use 0. The last argument is going to be the highest order of Taylor series expansion. Since we would like to start with the first order, we'll use n equal to 1. When you're finished up, you have an additional curve, which is given as gx. For the first order Taylor series for sine x at a equal to 0 is going to be x, so that we have nice curve. At a equal to 0, gx equal to x is a good approximation towards your sine x. I also wanted to label this curve as gx equal to x by dragging and drop right next to the curve. We will expand a few more terms, meaning that we will increase the order n to see how Taylor series behaves. Actually, the second term of Taylor series with the second order is the same as the first order for this particular function. Then we can increase the order to 3. So we have an additional term minus x cubed over factorial of 3, which is shown as hx. hx is given as a blue curve, and it offers better correction working towards given function sin x. To clearly identify the curve, I will also label them similarly. You can also expand it with the higher order, for example n equal to 5. Now you can see additional term plus x power of 5 divided by factorial of 5, as is shown in the orange curve in the figure window. You can also label them by dragging and drop. I showed you how to use Geogebra website to plot Taylor series for sine x at a equal to 0, but you can also try with a different function and or a different a value. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Hope this video found useful for you. Please consider subscribing my channel if you want to continue to watch similar videos like this in future. Please give thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please feel free to share your thoughts in comment section down below. See you next time.